What's up, everyone? Alright, today I'm going to show you where I'm living now, and I'm going to be here for like 26 more days before I move back into the States. I'm also living with some really cool people, and I'm going to do more videos showing you guys the people I'm living with, because I'm hoping that they'll start making some content from my YouTube channel after I leave Nicaragua. Because this would be awesome for me, because I'm trying to get lots and lots of different kinds of content on my channel, and also this would be good for them because I can pay them the ad revenue. Normally they would have a hard time getting the money because it's hard to get the payments received in Nicaragua because you can't link a Nicaraguan bank account to a PayPal account, which is really, really silly. But anyway, let's see where we're going. So first I'll discuss price real quick. Before the house that you guys saw in previous videos cost about $200 a month. Well, no, not about. It was $200 a month, and that was a 2-bedroom place in like a safe neighborhood, but a cheap neighborhood. So it's typically like cinder block construction with just those sheet metal roofs. So this is a much nicer neighborhood. As you guys will see on the terrace, there's trees and a view, and it's awesome. But this is the front, so it is kind of like a loft. It is like half of one floor of a 3-story building, and also the roof, which is pretty cool. So let's zoom out a bit and show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna try and just stay at the edge of the screen over here, and we're just gonna walk around. So this is the entry room, right? And that's just where there's a TV over here, and under the TV we have a Nintendo 64 and a PlayStation 2. Good things for sure. Then going over here, that's the kitchen, and that's like a dining room kind of area thing. If we go over here, we can see this more. See? Pretty cool. This is where we eat when we eat like as a group. And then, see? Yada yada yada. Now I'm gonna go back over here. That's the kitchen. Mary's in the kitchen right now. Hey, Mary.
Hello.
I'm showing them the house.
Yoo-hoo.
Yeah, it's like a real kitchen. Our last place was just like a cabinet in a hallway, kind of.
In front of the garden?
Yeah, garden.
Garden, kind of garden. What's the bathroom of the kitchen?
Yeah. Okay, so that's how we go outside, and there's a balcony and then also a roof, but I'm not going to go there yet because I want to show you, that's the best part. So I guess my room's kind of messy, but this is my room. So there's the bed, there's windows that just go out into the hallway, and then over there, that's Mary's computer right there. That's where I've been working, although I don't really have one set place where I work. I tend to work in like a whole bunch of different places. I just get tired of one place and move into another. So, closet, and then over there is a door to the bathroom. I guess I should show you guys the bathroom because this time we actually have, again, a more real bathroom. Whereas last time it was a hallway. See? Got a shower. It's kind of dark right now, I apologize. And then over here, oh, look, an actual sink in the bathroom. Isn't that amazing? The last place did not have a sink in the bathroom. All right, so now we go over here. My favorite thing about this place is the breeze. If you have one like window open at one end of the house and then windows, like all of these windows, it just like, there is such a strong breeze that things get knocked over. And because it's hot in Nicaragua, that's really, really awesome. So now we have the like living room, and also the other 2 rooms where Alba and Camila lives. I live in a room with Mary over there, and then I split rent with Camila and Alba. So we split the rent of this place 3 ways, and I pay like $130 a month, and each of them pays $110. So in total, we pay $350 for this place. And that doesn't include like internet and that kind of thing. But okay, so here is the living room. Got a TV that's blaring music right now. I hope I don't get a copyright strike for that. I'm amazed at how good those copyright things are at figuring out that there's music in a video. Like, once I had like one Nintendo song for like 5 seconds on in a background, and it caught it, and I was like, what? So we'll see. But then there's a little area that we can go outside here. So if we go outside, here we go. Nice view. Lots of sun right now, as you can see. I am like shining, shining, shining. Okay, so now we're gonna go into my favorite part, and that is the terrace, because it's just like, it's awesome. And it would be better, it's not good that I'm doing this video at this time of day, because there are dark areas and really bright areas, and that screws the video up. Like, I'm in a not well lit area, but you can see me well right now, right? But the second there's also like brightness over there, see, I get all dark. It's frustrating. So, oh yeah, that's right, I gotta show you this part. This is like the mini terrace. So there's like a little terrace over here, and this is where the cat's litter box is. And then over here, that's a hammock that's set up really awkwardly, so you can't really lay in it, but it's the only place that I could find to put the hammock, so yeah, you have to kind of like, you know, just like sit in it like this. You just, yeah. If I only show my top half, this looks fine. Ah, so comfortable. But, you know, my feet are on the ground here, and that's not ideal. But that's okay. And then this is where we put some boxes and that kind of thing. But I guess I can show the view here as well. Pretty cool. Alright, now we're going upstairs. See these stairs? Look at this! Look at this! Oh man, I'm hyped. Alright, now we have the terrace. And here, there is tons of storage space here. It is absolutely absurd. So if we open this, here we go. I know it's all dark now suddenly, but this is just like a shed, right? We got the typical sink here. Yeah, little storage shed, also a place to do laundry, that kind of thing. So we go out here, and then look at all of this space. There's so much space. Like, so much of it. It's awesome. So we keep going. And then there's basically another storage shed over here, but it's big. Like, definitely big. So, oh, 1 second, I'm gonna switch hands real quick. Go inside here. The lock here is really rusted, so take some finagling to open. There we go. Alright, got it. And here we go. And this is literally just a storage shed, but it's much bigger than the other storage sheds, see? Lots of space, shelves, all this kind of stuff. Pretty cool. So now I'm just going to use the camera to show you guys the awesome view that we have, which is great. I'm just gonna slowly walk around the terrace and show you, okay? Look, you can actually see volcanoes in the distance. That's crazy. I think it's crazy. And my favorite thing about this, guys, is how many trees there are. Isn't that awesome? Like, look at all these trees. Absolutely amazing. Luckily, it's not too windy right now, because when I recorded up here earlier, it was windy, and that really screws up the audio. See, you can see this, there's this tree right here with all these pink flowers, and then off in the distance, you see the mountains, mountain range. Keep going. See, so over there where we're looking right now, there is a shopping center. And then there's a bunch of trees like right here, right? So that shopping center that I was just talking about, there's a movie theater there, and there's like a food court. It's pretty much like a mall you would see in the States. Exact same thing. There's not too many of them in Nicaragua, but in Managua there's like 4 or 5 different malls, and they're literally identical to the States. Bunch of uncomfortably expensive stuff, and a food court, and, you know, gentrification at its most concentrated. I don't really know. I'm not really a person who likes malls that much. I prefer like thrift stores and markets and, you know, yeah, that's me. Anyway, just wanted to show you, this is what you get for $350 in Nicaragua. If you guys want more videos, subscribe to my channel. I mostly do dropshipping content right now, but that's always changing. I do videos about loads of things, about video games, about my life in Nicaragua, all sorts of stuff. See you guys next time. Ciao!